Hello guys and welcome again to our YouTube channel. Um I'm just making this quick video for a recap of something I forgot. Okay. While we're talking about variables and variable initialization, I actually forgot to mention something. So this quick video is just about what I left out from variables. Okay. So variable as the name goes, variable. Okay. A variable, as I earlier defined, a variable is a container where you can store data in it. Okay. So from the name variable, what do you understand? When you talk about variable, when something is variable, that means it changes, right? So a variable, when you store data in a variable, okay, it can be changed. Okay. You can change it at any point in time in your code. When you declare a variable, when you store data in a variable, you can change it at any time. That's why it's called a variable. It varies. Okay, you can actually change it. Okay, so an example, let's go int and let's say grade. Okay, equals 20. Okay, let's just actually display this on the screen. Okay, so we use the printf function, right? Whatever it is to display on the screen is %d. Since we want to display an integer, we want to display this variable here, and we cannot put the variable name here. We have to use the %d to represent this variable. Okay, so and which variable do you want to display in this position? This is grade variable, right? The grade variable, so it got to go now is here, grade. Okay, and let's try modifying, because presently now this grade is storing a value of 20. Okay, so let's try modifying it. Let's say, okay, the new grade is let's say 30. Okay, and let's try to print out as well on the screen. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so here we declared a variable called grade and initialize it with a value of 20. Okay, then we just simply printed out this short statement. The first grade is here. We are calling this grade here. Okay, now we have changed the value of the grade to 30. Okay, and we are still printing out on the screen. So let's actually see what it gives us. So build and run. Okay, cool, perfect. As you can see, the first grade is 20, the second grade is 30. Okay, so that's just to tell you that we can modify the value of a variable at any time in your code after declaration. Okay, you see, at first it was 20, what we console log, because normally the compiler reads your code line by line. Okay, it compiles it line by line. So it came here. Okay, it saw this line, it created a variable called grade and stored 20 in it. Okay, it came here now. Okay, say, okay, let's print out the grade. Presently, what was the grade storing? It's storing the value of 20. So it printed out the 20 on the screen. It came down now to the third line. He said, okay, hey, they've changed the value of the grade to 30. Okay, he goes now to the variable grade and change the value to 30. And now it comes now to the fourth line and prints out now the grade again. What's now inside the real value variable is 13. So it actually displays the 13 on the screen. Okay, so this actually something I forgot to mention while I was talking about variables and variable initialization. And one more thing. Okay, what if we create a string variable? Okay, what if we say a variable that stores a string in it, say char, an array of characters, call it name. It should store at least let's say 20 characters. And if this syntax is kind of confusing, don't bother, just follow along. When we get to arrays, or better understand it. Okay, better understand it. But just know that this is what we are doing here. A string in C programming is just an array of characters. Okay, so let's say the variable name stores has a value of, say, John. Okay, so here in the name variable I've stored in John. Okay, so let's print that on the screen. Sends in variable name. Okay, let's try changing now the value of the name variable. Okay, same name. Okay, store now. Let's say to store Peter. Cool. Now let's print it out on the screen. The second name is sorry, it's a string. It's supposed to be percent s, not percent d. It's percent is for an integer. Strings is percent s. Okay, sorry for that error. Okay, so let's do around this and see how it looks. Okay, good. There we go. The first name is John. The second name is still John. Okay, it didn't change, right? It hasn't changed. So in C, when you declare a variable that stores a string, okay, the variable cannot be changed. Okay, so this is string constant. Okay, the variable cannot be changed. Okay, you can't change the value of the variable when you're storing a string in it. Okay, so this is actually a string constant. And don't bother if you don't understand, just stick with me. And our next video will be talking about constants in C programming. So I'm sure there you better understand. Just wanted to show you this. Okay, so when you declare a variable with a string, you can actually change the value of that variable. Okay, so that was just all for this video. I know I said it's going to be short, but I'm sure it's short. Okay, so just hope you've learned something today and try to use it. Okay, so now you better understood variables and variable declaration, all those things about variables. So I think in the next video we'll be talking about constants. So just stick with me. Okay, stick with me. We'll get to that. And hope you liked the video. Okay, if you're new here, click the subscribe button and see you next time.